You may not notice it, but inside the trunk of many experienced drivers, there's always one essential item: a can of WD-40. Not for squeaky hinges, but for preventing small problems that can turn into $1,000 repair bills. What seems like just a multi-purpose spray can actually save you in some of the most frustrating situations: stuck bolts, cloudy headlights, moisture in the engine bay, stiff locks, and more. In this video, we'll break down 12 incredibly simple WD-40 tricks that help your car run smoother, last longer, and save you a ton of maintenance costs over time. Take 3 seconds to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the latest videos. 1. Clean dirty spark plugs. When a car vibrates lightly, accelerates slowly, or occasionally hesitates, many people immediately think the ignition coil is failing, a sensor is bad, or even that the engine itself has a serious issue. But there's a much simpler cause that most drivers overlook: dirty spark plugs. Over time, spark plug tips collect carbon, oil residue, and moisture, which significantly weakens the spark. When the spark is weak, the engine has to work harder just to stay running smoothly, leading to poor fuel economy, engine vibration, and slower throttle response. The good news? You don't need to replace the plugs right away. Just spray a little WD-40 onto the plug tip to soften the carbon buildup and push moisture out of the gap. Then use fine sandpaper or a small wire brush to gently clean the contact area. Wipe it off, let it dry for a few minutes, and reinstall it. The whole process takes only a few minutes and can noticeably improve engine stability. This doesn't replace regular maintenance, but it's extremely helpful when your car suddenly feels weak, misfires slightly, or when you've just driven through rain and the plugs have gotten damp. For drivers who do a lot of stop-and-go city driving, with the engine constantly heating and cooling, spark plugs accumulate residue even faster, and this simple cleaning brings the engine back to smooth operation almost instantly. 2. Restore shine to chrome parts. Chrome parts on a car are like jewelry. When they're shiny, the whole car looks better. But after a few months of sun, rain, road dust, hard water stains, and minor rust spots, chrome starts looking dull, cloudy, or streaked. Most people think they need expensive chrome polish or a professional detailer to fix it. But in reality, a light spray of WD-40 solves nearly all of these issues. Just mist a little WD-40 onto any chrome surface, front bumper trim, decorative strips, door handles, even wheels, and wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Stubborn grime, watermarks, and light rust disappear almost immediately. If the chrome has tar spots or tiny metallic specks embedded in it, spray again and wipe a bit more firmly. The shine hidden under that dull layer will come right back. The best part is that WD-40 leaves behind a thin protective layer that keeps the chrome brighter for longer and helps repel water. For people living in rainy climates or near the coast, this protective coating helps prevent rust extremely well. No expensive cleaners, no harsh polishing, no complicated steps, just a light spray and a few wipes, and your car instantly looks much more premium. 3. Eliminate squeaky door hinges. Few things are more annoying than opening your car door and hearing a loud creak as if you're pulling open an old rusty gate. Many people ignore it, thinking it's just a small noise, but in reality it's a sign that the hinge is dry and metal is rubbing against metal. Over time, this causes the hinge to wear out, loosen, and even sag, and fixing or realigning a door is far from cheap. The fix is incredibly simple. Spray a little WD-40 directly onto the hinge, then open and close the door a few times to let the lubricant work its way into the joints. The squeak disappears almost instantly, and the door will feel much smoother and lighter to operate. The WD-40 also helps protect the hinge from rust, especially on cars frequently exposed to rain, salty air, or high-pressure car washes. The advantage of this method is that it's fast, clean, and requires no tools, Just a few seconds of maintenance can save you from future problems like loose hinges, sagging doors, or annoying noises every time you get in and out of the car. 4. Lubricate locks and mechanical latches. Car locks that haven't been used for a long time often become stiff and dry. The key feels heavy when inserted, and sometimes it won't turn at all. Many people assume the lock is broken and start thinking about calling a locksmith or replacing the entire assembly. But most of the time, the real issue is just dust, moisture, and a bit of rust inside the mechanism. If you keep forcing the key while the lock is stuck, the key can snap off inside, and that repair will easily cost a few $100s. The fix is incredibly simple. Spray a small amount of WD-40 directly into the lock cylinder. WD-40's formula dissolves dirt, softens rust, and leaves behind a thin lubricant that helps the key turn smoothly. After spraying, insert the key and twist it a few times so the lubricant spreads throughout the mechanism. Within seconds, the lock will work as smoothly as new. Beyond door locks, you should also spray the trunk lock, hood latch, fuel door hinge, and any metal mechanism that opens and closes frequently. These parts are especially prone to sticking, particularly on cars parked outdoors or in humid climates. A timely spray can save you from dealing with stuck locks, a trunk that won't open, or a hood latch that refuses to release. All annoying and potentially costly situations. 5. Loosen rusted bolts. If you've ever worked on your car at home, you've probably faced a bolt so rusted it feels welded in place. You try everything, more leverage, bigger sockets, even standing on the wrench, and it still won't budge. The problem isn't just how difficult it is to remove rusted bolts, which are much more likely to strip or snap off. And once that happens, the repair costs multiply quickly. This is where WD-40 shines. Just spray it directly onto the stuck threads and wait a few minutes so the lubricant can seep inside. WD-40 breaks down the rust, separates the metal surfaces, and makes the bolt dramatically easier to turn. After a short wait, try again. You'll often feel the bolt let go almost instantly, without excessive force or fear of damaging surrounding parts. This trick is extremely useful for underbody bolts, suspension bolts, exhaust bolts, or any fastener exposed to rain, mud, or road salt. Instead of risking a snapped bolt, one quick spray can save you a huge amount of hassle. Comment 1 and like the video to see more helpful tricks. 6. Clean corroded battery terminals. If you open your hood and see the battery terminals covered in thick white or green crust, that's a clear sign of corrosion. Many people ignore it, thinking, it's probably fine, until one day the car cranks weakly, the headlights dim, or, worst of all, the engine won't start on a cold morning. That crusty buildup blocks the flow of electricity, reducing battery performance and causing all sorts of annoying electrical symptoms. The fix is very simple. Use WD-40 contact cleaner or any electrical safe cleaner. Spray it directly onto the terminals and let it work for about a minute. The cleaner will break down the corrosion and soften the buildup. Then, just use a cloth or brush to wipe it away, revealing shiny metal underneath. Better electrical contact means stronger starts, a more stable electrical system, and a longer-lasting battery. What many drivers don't realize is that shops often charge a high fee for this exact job, something you can easily do yourself in just a few minutes. Clean terminals prevent voltage drops, blown fuses, and premature battery failure. It's a small step that delivers big benefits, especially for cars that make lots of short trips or are parked outdoors frequently. 7. Temporary headlight clarity. Foggy headlights are something almost every car develops after a few years. The light output gets weaker, nighttime visibility drops, and worst of all, the car instantly looks older. Many drivers assume they need to replace the entire headlight assembly or buy a 100-plus-year polishing kit. But if you just need a quick improvement for an inspection, safer night driving, or an upcoming trip, WD-40 can make an immediate difference. Simply spray a thin layer of WD-40 onto the headlight surface, then use a clean cloth to wipe in circular motions. The light, oily film fills in microscopic scratches, restores surface smoothness, and allows more light to pass through. The headlights look clearer and brighter in under 2 minutes. No disassembly, no tools, and no technical skill needed. Of course, this isn't a long-term solution. After a few days or a couple of weeks, the shine will fade, and you'll need to clean it again or use a proper restoration method. But when you need a quick touch-up, this trick is extremely handy. 8. Prevent undercarriage rust. The undercarriage is the part most people ignore, yet it's the area that deteriorates the fastest. If you live somewhere with heavy rain, near the coastline, or in regions where roads are salted in winter, your undercarriage is constantly attacked by moisture and salt. Rust doesn't appear overnight. It slowly eats away at the frame, brake lines, suspension parts, until the damage becomes holes or cracks, and repairs at that point can easily cost thousands. A simple way to slow down rust is spraying WD-40 onto moisture-prone areas. The chassis frame, sway bars, shock mounts, exhaust hangers, and any section that frequently gets splashed by water or mud. WD-40 creates a thin protective film that repels water and prevents moisture from sticking to the metal. Think of it as a quick raincoat for the undercarriage. Not permanent, but effective enough to slow down rust significantly. Just a few minutes before the rainy season or after an undercarriage wash can make the car last much longer. For vehicles that already have light rust, WD-40 also helps slow down the spread. This is one of the easiest ways to protect hidden components underneath the car, something most shops never mention, yet it's one of the most important areas of the vehicle's structure. 9. Lubricate the window regulator mechanism. Slow windows, squeaking noises, or glass moving up and down in jerky steps are clear signs that the internal mechanism is dry and friction has increased. Don't wait until the moment you press the switch and the window doesn't move. That usually means the motor is overloaded and about to fail, and replacing a window motor isn't cheap. The most common cause is very simple: dust, moisture, and weather exposure drying out the window tracks and sliders. Just spray a light layer of WD-40 along the window channels and rubber seals, then move the window up and down a few times so the lubricant spreads inside the mechanism. WD-40 softens dirt, reduces friction, and helps the glass glide more smoothly right away. You'll notice the window moves faster, smoother, and without the annoying squeal. For a more thorough job, you can remove the door panel and spray directly onto the regulator gears and slider tracks. This reduces strain on the motor and significantly extends its lifespan. For older vehicles, this step is especially valuable. It prevents the nightmare scenario of a stuck window during a rainstorm, which is both annoying and costly to fix. 10. Push water out of the ignition system. Heavy rain, driving through deep puddles, or washing the engine bay with high-pressure water can sometimes let moisture creep into places that should always stay dry, especially the ignition system. When that happens, the car may not start, may misfire, may shake violently, or make unusual ticking sounds. Many people panic, thinking something major has broken, but in reality, this is an extremely common issue. Water is simply somewhere it shouldn't be. This is where WD-40 becomes a true lifesaver. Open the hood and lightly spray around the spark plug wires, electrical connectors, ignition coils, and especially the distributor cap, if your car has one. WD-40 stands for Water Displacement 40, meaning it was literally designed to push water away from metal surfaces and electrical contacts. Once applied, it separates the moisture, dries the area quickly, and helps restore a stable electrical flow. After spraying, wait about a minute and try starting the engine again. In most cases, the car will start normally, without needing to wait hours for it to dry or calling a tow truck. If your car has ever stalled after a rainstorm, you know how frustrating it is. Even a tiny bit of moisture can make the ignition system go haywire. 11. Remove sap, tar, and bug residue from paint. If you've ever driven long distances or parked under trees, you've definitely seen sap, road tar, and dried bug splatter stuck all over the front of your car. These stains cling tightly. Regular car washing won't remove them, and scrubbing hard risks scratching the paint. Worse yet, leaving them on for too long can eat into the clear coat and leave permanent marks. This is where WD-40 works remarkably well. Just spray a small amount onto a microfiber towel. Do not spray directly onto the car to avoid spreading the residue. Then place the towel on the spot for a few seconds. WD-40 softens the sap, tar, and bug remains, making them much easier to wipe off. After a gentle wipe, the surface will look clean and glossy again. No harsh chemicals, no excessive force. Black tar spots inside wheel wells, sticky sap patches, and stubborn bug residue on the hood can all be removed quickly with this method. It's especially useful before inspections, when selling the car, or simply when you want it looking clean and sharp. The biggest advantage is that WD-40 doesn't dull the paint, doesn't create haze, and even leaves a thin protective layer to help prevent future buildup. It's a fast, inexpensive, and extremely effective method for anyone who wants clean paint without expensive detailing products. 12. Easy sticker and adhesive removal. Removing stickers from a car seems simple, but is actually a nightmare for many people. Peeling off the top layer is easy, but the real problem is the sticky adhesive underneath, that thin, stubborn yellow layer that clings tighter than glue. The more you scrape, the higher the chance of scratching the paint, and rubbing aggressively only smears the glue around, making an even bigger mess. Dealer decals, old registration stickers, and sun-baked adhesive can almost fuse to the paint over time. Instead of using a razor blade or your fingernails to scratch it off piece by piece, simply spray a thin layer of WD-40 over the sticker. Wait about a minute for it to penetrate the adhesive. WD-40 softens the hardened glue and breaks its bond with the paint. Then gently lift a corner. In most cases, the sticker will peel off smoothly instead of tearing into tiny pieces. For thicker stickers, you can spray a second layer on the remaining adhesive and wipe it clean with a microfiber towel. No harsh chemicals, no scraping tools, and, most importantly, no scratches on the paint. WD-40 even leaves a slight sheen that makes the surface look clean and polished. This trick is especially useful before selling your car, applying new decals, or simply making the vehicle look cleaner. A little WD-40 and a few minutes of work can help you avoid unwanted scratches and save the money you'd otherwise spend at a shop to remove stubborn adhesive. A quick, simple, and safe solution that anyone can do on their own. A single $3-5 can of WD-40 can solve a dozen problems that repair shops often charge high fees for. When used correctly, it helps keep your car cleaner and smoother and prevents costly damage down the road. These small tricks make your vehicle last longer every day and save you from painful repair bills. Did this video help you? Subscribe to help us reach 30,000 subscribers.